Hello mga bayaw, this time I will elaborate to you the process of how to determine the area per hill, number of hills per hectare, number of seeds per hectare, and number of seeds per hill of a hill drop planter. So kasama pa rin ito dun sa topic natin na seeders and planters. So meron tayong sample problem na sasagutan. Ito yung problem natin. The fertility of the field is such that maximum corn yields are obtained with a population of 54,000 plants per hectare. The rows are 0.75 meter apart and an average emergence of 85% is expected. How many seeds per hill should be planted if the hills are 0.5 meter apart? Okay, sulat muna natin yung given. We have population of 54,000 plants per hectare. We have row spacing of 0.75 meter. We have hill spacing of 0.5 meter. We have average emergence of 85% or 0.85. And yung hinahanap natin ay yung number of seeds per hill. So, follow ulit natin yung step-by-step process para makuha yung solusyon. Sa step 1, we have to calculate the area per hill. So, meron tayong formula na area is equal to row spacing times hill spacing. 0.5 meter times 0.75 meters is equal to 0.375 square meter per hill. Then, sa step 2 natin, we have to determine the number of hills per hectare to be planted. So, pwedeng gumamit lang tayo ng NH is equal to, meron tayong 10,000 square meter per hectare divided by yung area na nakuha natin, 0.375 square meter per hill. So, cancel natin yung square meter. Kaya meron tayong 26,668 hills per hectare. Then, para sa step 3 natin, we have to determine the number of seeds per hectare. So, pwede nating isulat yung NS lang. So, we have formula na NS is equal to yung plant population over yung average emergence. We have plant population of 54,000 plants per hectare divided by yung average emergence na 85% or 0.85 is equal to 63,529.41 seeds per hectare. Then, makakuha na natin yung hinahanap na number of seeds per hill. Erase muna natin to. Then, sa step 4 and final step, makakuha na natin yung number of seeds per hill. So, meron tayong formula na number of seeds per hill is equal to number of seeds per hectare over number of hills per hectare is equal to 63,529 seeds per hectare over number of hills per hectare na 26,668 hills per hectare is equal to 2.38 seeds per hill. So, hindi siya sakto, no? Hindi siya sakto na 2 seeds per hill or 3 seeds per hill. So, pwedeng ilagay natin yung final answer na 2 to 3 seeds per hill. So, makikita nyo naman to sa choices sa board exam. Kasi yung mga choices naman doon, kung hindi siya sakto, pwedeng 2 to 3 seeds per hill. Kaya kung may mga choices doon na 1 to 2 seeds per hill, 2 to 3 seeds per hill, 3 to 4, ay piliin nyo na yung 2 to 3 seeds per hill. Hey, sir, what if we forgot to follow the step-by-step process on how to determine the number of seeds per hill? Okay lang po yun. Basta, ang importante ay alam nyo yung lahat ng dapat nyong kunin. Halimbawa, gusto nyong unahin yung number of seeds per hectare. Yung number of seeds per hectare, gusto nyong unahin kunyari. So, meron tayong formula na P over AE. So, pwede naman siyang unahin. As long as dapat ipahalo nyo yung step 4 na hinahanap yung number of seeds per hill dahil hindi nyo talaga yun makukuha kapag hindi nyo inuna yung tatlo. So, yung P natin ay 54,000 plants per hectare over average emergence na 0.85 is equal to 63,529.41 seeds per hectare. Ito, tandaan nyo ito na yung number of seeds per hectare, kung yung population ng isang hektarya ay 54,000 plants per hectare, magiging seeds per hectare na yung unit kapag in-applyan na natin siya ng average emergence. So, nakuha na natin yung number of seeds per hectare. Then, kukunin naman natin yung area per hill. So, row spacing times hill spacing na 0.75 meter times 0.5 meter is equal to 0.375 square meter per hill. Then, yung number of hills per hectare na NH is equal to 10,000 square meter per hectare over 0.375 square meter per hill. Cancel. Hills per hectare ang sagot. Ito yung 26,668 hills per hectare. Then, makakuha na natin yung step 4 dahil nakuha na natin yung number of seeds per hectare tsaka number of hills per hectare. Medyo mahirap talaga sa una, pero kapag palagi kayong nagsosolve ng paulit-ulit, siguradong makakabisado nyo to. Magbibigay ako ng activity para may gawin kayo at masanay kayo on how to determine the number of seeds per hill.